Oh God. This pipeline is clogged.
Yes, dear. What happened?
Our pipeline is clogged. We need to call Pumbler immediately to clear it.
Oh. Okay, I will call Pumbler right now. Pumbler is not taking my call. Might be he is busy somewhere. Dear, the worker is busy somewhere. Last week my friend had referred me Home Repairs Club for all home repair solutions. Don't worry, dear. I will call them now. Hello. Home Repairs Club.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Can you please send your worker to clear the clog and pipeline at my home?
Yes, sir. I will send our technician right now to your home.
Thank you.
Please go to this address for an emergency service.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, sir. How can I help you? Our washroom pipe is blocked. Please clear it. Now the clog has cleared, sir. Please call us anytime for emergency service. Thank you. Thanks to Home Repairs Club. Home Repairs Club, repair with your repair.